Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best cotton candy machines that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Olde Midway Commercial Quality Cotton Candy Machine. Look no further as the most durable machine with a very strong engine is here. It is easy to create fun with commercial standard cotton candy machine and enjoy your fluffy cotton candy anywhere you want. It features a large stainless steel bowl, a belt-driven motor, a storage drawer and high-performance heating element. The large size of bowl offers a good working area. It is easily detached from the cart and very easy to clean. It is designed in such a way that vibration is limited for less noisy operation. Its high-performance heating element of 950 watt can complete one batch of fluffy candy in 30 seconds when heated. Heating it only takes 2 to 4 minutes. This is the most simple and easy with just 2 control switches. It is easy to clean and perfect for anybody looking for an efficient cotton candy machine. At number 4. The Candery Commercial Cotton Candy Machine. Stop your search for a cotton candy machine and get this one. It can be best used for commercial use as the cart allows mobility. Its motor is so quiet with minimal operating noise. With this unit, you can spin your favorite cotton candy, sugar candy, and hard candy. The design is very simple, disassembles easily and easy to clean. It includes a sugar scoop and 10 cotton candy cones. With the view rim, you are able to view the floss and it is protected from flying at the same time. This unit is an important to add item to your kitchen accessories. At number 3. Great Nothern Popcorn Company. Do you want to add more fun to your family by introducing fluffy candy making to your leisure activities? Then you are in the right place. Get this cotton candy machine that comes with great features that makes it worth it. Its heating element of 1000 watt warms up faster, allowing you have your cotton candy in 2 minutes. It features a stainless steel kettle which is very easy to clean. The design is stylish with rich colors which match well with its quality. The power stabilization feature of this machine saves you electricity when making your fluffy candies. You will not struggle with it as it is easy to use with a front on and off switch. It comes with a long sugar scoop that allows you to put in sugar without spilling. At number 2. VIVO Electric Commercial Cotton Candy Machine. Make your life sweet with the sweet melt in the mouth sweets with VIVO. It can be used at home or for commercial use, producing up to 3 servings of cotton candy in 1 minute. Allow it to warm up for at least 5 minutes before you start making the fluffy sweet. It features a large stainless steel bowl with sugar scoop. It is a very important fun addition machine to any event or party. It is very simple when it comes to assembling it and very easy to clean as well. If you are not happy with this item, you can return and get your full money refund. Buy it with confidence. At number 1. The Candery Cotton Candy Machine. This is one of the most bright and colorful cotton candy making machines. It is a small, portable and simple to operate the machine. It includes all the tools you need to use to enjoy your treats. It has an easy view rim that acts as a protective guard as well as allowing easy viewing of the floss. This unit allows multiple uses which include cotton candy, hard candy, and sugar floss. Its design is simple and easy to operate. Get ready to have some great fun with your loved ones at the picnic, treats, parties or birthdays. Consider having this item on your next shopping and reap all the benefits it has. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.